Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the day 2 of quarter 4, science 8, week 1, solving acceleration problem. For objectives, rearrange formulas to get missing variables like, for example, final velocity, initial velocity, and time. Show perseverance while solving multi-step problems and solve acceleration problems using the formula. Okay, let us have this scenario. A jeepney driver starts from rest. After 3 seconds, it reaches 9 meter per second. Okay, is the jeepney accelerating? And why? Okay. Yes, because it changed velocity from 0 to 9 meter per second. Okay, did it experience uniform or non-uniform acceleration? Okay, likely uniform straight even road because velocity increased steadily. Okay, acceleration describes how fast velocity changes over time. It tells us whether an object is speeding up, slowing down, or changing direction. So yun po yung tatlong condition para masabi natin na nagkaroon ng acceleration ng isang moving object kapag bumilis, bumagal, at nagbago ng direction. So acceleration formula, the formula for acceleration is equals to v minus u. So ang u po dyan is it represents the initial velocity. And then the v is the final velocity. Sa ibang formula naman po, pwede natin gamitin yung v sub f as final and v sub I as initial. Instead na u, pwede yung v sub I. Where a is acceleration, v is final velocity, u is initial velocity, t is time taken. So kung mas madali sa atin yung v sub f as final and v sub I as initial velocity, yun pang gamitin natin. So this equation can be rearranged depending on what is missing. So pwede tayo mag-derive po dyan ng formula. Kung velocity ang hahanapin natin, ang formula is velocity is equals to final velocity is equals to initial velocity plus the product of acceleration and time. And then, kapag naman initial velocity ang kukunin natin, initial velocity is equals to final velocity minus the product of acceleration and time. And then, for time, we are going to use the final velocity minus initial velocity divided by the acceleration. So, let us have a sample problem. Problem number 1. A car accelerates from rest to 20 meter per second in 5 seconds. Meaning, bumilis yung sasakyan. So, find for the acceleration. So, in solving problem, we have first to identify the given. What are given? Okay, the given, okay, the initial velocity is 0. The final velocity is 20 meter per second. And then the time it takes is 5 seconds. So, another step is to find the formula. What is the solution? Okay, the formula for computing acceleration is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity over time. So kapag mas mababa po ang initial velocity, meaning yan po ay nag-increase ang speed. So that is positive acceleration. 20 minus 0, that's 20. Divide by 5, that is 4 meter per second squared. Bakit yun ang unit? Kasi po ang unit ng speed is, ng velocity is meter per second, divided by second, that is meter per second squared. That is the unit of acceleration. Okay, another problem. A bike slows down from 15 meter per second to 5 meter per second in 4 seconds. Ito naman, bumaba bigla. So, mas mataas ang initial velocity dun sa final velocity. Meaning, ito ay deceleration or negative ang result nito. So, tingnan natin. Find the acceleration. Ayan. So, substituting now the formula na, pinalit na natin yung sa formula. Yung initial is 15, the final is 5. So, 5 minus 15, that is negative 10. Divide by 4, the result is negative 2.5 meter per second squared. Meaning, tandaan po natin, kapag ang result ng magnitude ng acceleration ay negative, meaning bumagal from mabilis to bumagal or decelerate, negative acceleration. Ayan. For problem number 3, a runner increases speed from 3 meter per second to 9 meter per second with acceleration of 1.5 meter per second squared. So, ang nawawala dyan is the time. Find the time taken. So, using the formula, t is equals to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by the acceleration. So, substituting down the formula, 9 minus 3, that is 6, divided by 1.5, the result is 4 seconds. Okay, for problem number 4, a car accelerates at 2 meter per second squared for 6 seconds from an initial velocity of 10 meter per second. So, ang nawawala naman is the final velocity. So, using the formula for final velocity is equals to initial velocity plus the product of acceleration and time. So, let us na substitute the formula. 10 plus 2 times 6, i-times muna natin yung 2 times 6 bago i-plus. So, that is 12 times 10, that is 22. The result of the final velocity is 22 meter per second.